Okay, first question. The epigastric region is part of both the right and left upper quadrant. Okay, let's wait 5 seconds. Okay, hopefully you got your answer. So the epigastric region, part of both the left and upper quadrant. Yes, that should be part of it. So we have the figure right here. So we have, this is the epigastric region right there. And this is the right upper quadrant and the left upper quadrant. So here, so then this part right here should be this part right here. So therefore, obviously, the epigastric region is going to be part of the left and the right upper quadrant. So going back to the question, the answer should be true. We scroll down right here. That's what we have, true. Okay, next question. Which one of the following pairings is incorrect? So let's wait 5 seconds. Hopefully you got your answers. So let's take a look. Thoracic and chest, well, appears to be correct. Lumbar and low back, yes. Carpal and ankle, no, that's not correct. And axillary and armpit, then that's correct. Right? So if we look at the figure, we have, these are the carpals. These ones are going to be the metacarpals. And those are part of your hands. Going back to the question, then the incorrect answer should be carpal and ankle, right? Because carpals and hand would be correct. So we scroll down right here, that's what we have. So next question, which one of the following pairings is incorrect? So let's wait 5 seconds. Hopefully you got your answer. We have cephalic and arm. Cephalic is head and arms, and obviously this is incorrect. Crural is part of the leg. Brachial is a term used in the arm. Gluteal is a term used for the buttocks. So if we look at the figure, this is cephalic, that's the head. And that got nothing to do with the arm. So going back to the question, then obviously cephalic and arm should be incorrect. And that's what we have right here. Next question. The thoracic cavity is superior to the diaphragm. So let's wait 5 seconds. Okay, so let's continue. The thoracic cavity is superior to the diaphragm. That's the figure right here. So this is the thoracic cavity right there, and the diaphragm is right here. So therefore, the thoracic cavity is superior. Going back to the question, then the answer should be true. And that's what we have right here. Okay, next question. Removal of an ear from one side of the head is an example of a coronal section. So let's stop for 5 seconds. Okay, so hopefully you got your answer. And let's take a look at this. So we have the figure right here, and the ears are right here. So if we want to cut the ear, then we will have to cut it like this. And this is a sagittal plane, right? That will separate the ear from the body. If we go back to the question, removal of an ear is not achieved with a coronal section. So therefore, this should be false. That's what we got right there. Okay, next question. A parasagittal section does not produce equal sections. Now, a mid-sagittal produces 2 equal sections, right? So it's going to cut the body in half, and it's going to give you the right side and the left side 50-50. Let's take a look at the figure. Mid-sagittal will cut the body in left and right 50-50. A parasagittal will cut the body also in left and right, but it's not going to be 50-50. It's maybe 25 and 75%, but it's not 50-50. Going back to the question, then the parasagittal section does not produce 2 equal sections, and that would be true. And that's what we have right here. Next question. The mediastinum contains the heart and the lungs. So let's stop for 5 seconds. So let's continue. So if we look at the figure, we have the mediastinum right here in purple, and that's the area that the heart is going to occupy. The lungs are not there, right? The lungs are going to be over here on each side of the purple. So the lungs are not going to be part of the mediastinum. If we go back to the question right here, so then obviously the mediastinum does not contain the lung. And that should be false. And that's what we have right here.